Okay, so I just updated to update v71 not too long ago. I'll show you guys. I'm on update v71 and I thought we would go over some of the new settings together, okay? Or rather, let's see what new settings we can find because they did mention that there are some. Let's go to movement, see that everything looks perfectly normal there. Let's go to systems and sound, okay? Spatial audio for Windows. Everything looks perfectly normal there, but there are some key changes, okay? Okay. Not a lot of changes, but there are some key changes. If we go to quick settings, it says now you can change the call volume and up volume separately. We have that volume there. We have Bluetooth devices that we can actually connect. I will be honest, there isn't as big of update as you might expect, but yeah, that's just because, as I mentioned in the last update, this is kind of just getting ready for stuff in the future. But we did get Stylus, okay? We got Stylus updates, so we can actually sync Stylus from here as well as control it from here. And I'll be honest, I didn't even know about the gamepad thing. This is all real good to know. As referred to my previous video, you'll see that I even mentioned that this really isn't a super big update, but we did get more to do with travel mode, okay? The travel mode is so moving vehicle so you can still enjoy headset. Well, the thing is, we also got trains at travel mode. So it's not going to be just planes or whatever. It's also going to be on trains. And I don't know if it is planes officially. I think it's just moving in general. And I feel like then I add more as time goes on. And yeah, that's a quick overview. I know some of you guys like these videos where I showcase the new changes and stuff, but if I'm being perfectly honest, there are not very many new changes that I can show you guys really with this update. It's more like under the hood style changes that, yeah, it's more under the hood style, which, is fine. It gets us prepared for the future, I suppose, but yeah, it would have been nice for more changes to come out in this update. Oh, controller vibration. Okay. Hearing. Now, speaking of hearing, they did mention that, sound profiles and stuff are going to be better. Like, basically, when you turn your head, hearing surround sound type audio. So that is good. Spatial audio, I guess, is what I'm trying to get at and failing miserably. If we go to Link, they did mention that Link got a bit of an update per se, But like I said, most of it's more behind the scenes right now. I'm hoping it enables more updates in the future, better updates in the future, because you guys lay down the groundwork, and I feel like that this is laying down the groundwork. They also made boundary stuff quite a bit better, I suppose. They made space setup a bit better overall. But like I said, that's basically all they did. Nothing super big this update. Like I said, I feel like this was just like a groundwork type update. And yeah, that's my notifications. These are games that I tend to play. I have a whole other YouTube channel dedicated to playing video games. I play VR games and not so VR games as well, so definitely feel free to check that out. But yeah, that's really all I have to show you guys with the update. Like I said, this wasn't a big flashy update, but I'm hoping next year we get a big flashy update, okay? Hopefully at the end of this year, but that's like a finger crossed type thing. I really have no clue what's going to happen with the feature of the Quest 3. But, you know, v71, a lot of us got it. Definitely let me know if you guys got the update, because of the fact that I know they stagger roll out the updates sometime, but if they're getting genuinely better about that, then that's going to be brilliant for the future. If that's the case, I cannot wait to see what next year brings. But that's more of a response from my rant of sorts I did. I went on like a mini rant about the state of Quest and whatnot. Feel free to check out that video. But with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.